Hello kids, welcome you all to the video lecture on class 3 Max Olympiad chapter number 2 Computation Operations. Today in this video we are going to see the question number 6 to 10. Question 6 is find the product of the sum of 1015 and 130 and the difference of 193 and 99. So they are asking to find the product of these two. That is, first we need to find out the sum of these two number and then we need to find out the difference of these two number and finally we have to do the product. So what do you mean by sum? Sum is nothing but addition. So we need to perform addition of these two numbers 1015 and then 130. So just do the addition. It is 5, 1 plus 3 it is 4, 1 plus 0 it is 1 and then 1. And then we need to find out the difference. Difference means subtraction. So we need to subtract 99 from 193. So here it is 3. So 9 cannot be subtracted from 3. So take 1, borrow. So 3 will become 13. So from 13 subtract 9. So 13 minus 9 it is 4. So since you have taken borrow, this 9 you have to reduce 1. So 9 will become 8. So again 8. From 8 you cannot subtract 9. So we need to take 1 borrow from here. So this will become 0 and this borrow will go to 8. So 8 will become now 18. So 18 minus 9 it is 9. So the answer is 94. So here the answer is 1145 and here it is 94. So you have determined the sum as well as the difference. Now we need to find out the product. So we need to find out the product. So product is given by, product is nothing but multiplication. So whatever we have obtained in sum, that we need to multiply with the answer of the difference, right? So what is the sum here? Sum it is 1145. What is the difference we have obtained? It is 94. So product means just we need to multiply these two numbers. So just let us multiply these two numbers. So what happens? 5 4s are 20. So here it is 0, balance is 2, that you have to write here. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2 it is 18. So 8 here and balance is 1. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 it is 5 and 4 1s are 4. So it is 4580. And then coming to the next one, 9 5s are 45. So balance is 4. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 4 it is 40. So 0 here. 4 is balance. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 4 it is 13. And then balance is 1. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 1 it is 10. So just add these two numbers. So here it is 0. 8 plus 5 it is 13. And then 1 is carry. 5 plus 1 it is 6. 4 plus 3 it is 7 and then here it is 0, here it is 1. So the answer is 107630. So 107630. The option is C option is correct. Next question is select the incorrect option. So which one is incorrect they are asking. So they are asking to find out the product. Product means we have to do multiplication. So we need to multiply these two numbers. We have to check whether we are getting this number. Okay. But here they are asking to find out the incorrect option. Whichever it is incorrect, that one we need to find out. So one by one option let me do. So first let me do the A option. 484 into 12. So we need to multiply these two numbers. So 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and then balance is 1. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 it is 9. And then coming to the second row, 1 4s are 4. So we need to write below the second digit. 1 8s are 8 and then 1 4s are 4. So just add these two numbers. So here it is just 8. 6 plus 4 it is 10. Carry is 1. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 8 it is 18. And then carry is 1. 4 plus 1 it is 5. So it is 5808. So this option is correct option. But they are asking to find out the incorrect option. So we need to check for the other options. Quotient of 9368 divided by 8 is 1171. So we need to divide the number 9368 by 8. Okay. So we need to check whether quotient is 1171. So first of all, which table we have to apply? 8 ones are 8. So 8 ones are 8. Just subtract these two values. 9 minus 8, it is 1. So bring this value down. So it is 13, right? So again 8 tables. 8 ones are 8. Just subtract these two values. 13 minus 8, it is 5. Just bring this value down. So it is 6 now. 56. So 8 sevens are 56. So 6 minus 6, it is 0, 5 minus 5, it is 0. So now bring this value down. So now it is 8, 8 ones are 8. So just subtract both the values. So 8 minus 8, it is 0. So now this one is quotient, this one is remainder. So quotient is 1171, remainder is 0. So they are saying that quotient of 9368 divided by 8 is 1171. Exactly the same number. So this is also correct option. So let me move on to the next one. So sum of 8368 and 1514. So option C, sum means addition. So we need to perform the addition operation. 1514. So 8 plus 4, it is 12. Carry is 1. 6 plus 1 plus 1, it is 8. 5 plus 3, it is 8. 8 plus 1, it is 9. So here the answer is 9882. Here also the answer is 9882. So this is also correct. So definitely this one should be the wrong option, and that should be the option for the 7th question, right? So the difference of 9882 and 5654 is 4220. That only we need to find out. So let me write here. So the D option is 9882 5654. So just subtract these two numbers. So from 2 we cannot subtract 4. So just take 1. Borrow. So this will become 7. This will become 12. So 12 minus 4, it is 8. And then 7 minus 5, it is 2. 8 minus 6, it is 2. 9 minus 5, it is 4. So it is 4228. But here the answer is 4220. So this one is the incorrect option. So they are asking for the incorrect option. So the option D is correct answer for the 7th question. Find the value of P plus Q plus R. So they have given one product, right? Multiplication operation. We need to find out first what is P, what is Q, what is R. Then we need to add all the three values. So they have given properly the values, right? Already they have multiplied and they have given. We need to multiply by 23. So 4 3s is what? 12. So balance is 1. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, it is 16. So balance is 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, it is 10. Balance is 1. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 1, it is 28. Right? And then coming to the next value. 2 4s are 8. 5 2s are 10. Balance is 1. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, it is 7. 9 2s are 18. So just add these two values. So just add these two values. Here nothing is there. So it is considered as 0. So it is just 2. 8 plus 6, it is 14. And then carry is 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0, it is 1. 8 plus 7, it is 15. Again carry is 1. 8 plus 2 plus 1, it is 11. Carry is 1. 1 plus 1, it is 2. So the answer is 215142. So here we need to find out what are the P value, Q value, R value. So when we check here 280 and then P value, it is 6. That is correct. And then coming to this number, they have wrongly given. Actually it should be 187, but they have mentioned it as 781. Actually it is 187. So in the book itself they have given it is wrongly. So it is 187. Actual answer is 187. and then followed by q and then followed by 8. So this value it is q, and then 2 1, then it is r 1 4 2. So actually this value it is p, this value it is q, this value it is r. Okay, p q r. So what is p? P value is 6. So we need to find out the value of p plus q plus r. P plus q plus r, which is p value it is 6, q value it is 0, and then r value it is 5. So 6 plus 0 it is 6, 6 plus 5 it is 11. So the option D is correct. What should be subtracted from 4286 so that the difference is equal to 1295? So from 4286, what we need to subtract? So I don't know what value I have to subtract. So just take it as x, and then which is equal to 1295. So I need to find out what is x. So in easy manner we can write it as 4286 minus x, which is equal to 1295. Okay, so we need to find out this value. So take x to the right hand side and then this value to the left hand side. So 4286, take this value to the left hand side. So plus 1295 will become minus 1295, and then minus x will go to right hand side, it will become plus x. So we can write left hand side in the right hand side value in the left hand side, just interchange and write. So x is equal to 4286 minus 1295. So we need to subtract these two values in order to find out x. So 4286 minus 1295, just subtract these two values. So 6 minus 5 it is 1, and then from 8 we cannot subtract 9, so just take 1, borrow, so it becomes 18. So this value becomes 1. So 18 minus 9 it is 9, and again from 1 we cannot subtract 2, so just take 1, borrow, so this will become 11, this will become 3. So reduce 1 with 4, so it becomes 3. So 11 minus 2 it is again 9, 3 minus 1 it is 2. So 2991 is the answer. X is 2991. So the option is B. B option is correct for the 9th question. The value of 1205 plus 1846 minus 2385 is, so they have given 3 numbers. So first one by one you can add. First let me take 1205 and then 1846. Instead of doing all the 3 numbers, first do one operation. So 1205 plus 1846. 5 plus 6 it is 11. So carry is 1. 4 plus 1 it is 5. 8 plus 2 it is 10. Carry is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 it is 3. So adding these two values we are getting 3051. So now it is 3051. From this number I need to subtract 2385. So 2385 I need to subtract from this number. So since it is 3 numbers, we cannot, no need to do all the 3 directly. First do the sum, find out the value, and then from this sum you just subtract 2385. So now I need to do the subtraction operation. So this number, that is from 1 we cannot subtract 5, so this will become 11. So you need to reduce 1 in the 5, so this will become 4. 11 minus 5 it is 6, and again from 4 we cannot subtract 8, so this will become 14, right? And you need to subtract 1 from here, 0. So since you are having 0, right, so this will become 9. So since you are taking the value from 0, this will become 9. So definitely this will become, the before number also you need to reduce it as 2, right? Since the value is 0, this will become 9, and again the before number also you need to reduce it as 2. So now 14, 14 minus 8 it is 6, 9 minus 3 it is 6, 2 minus 2 it is 0. So it is 666. The answer is 666. Option B is correct answer for the 10th equation. Thank you. Thanks for watching.